Hello friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I will talk to you all about veterinary science education in India. I will talk to you about the qualities required in a candidate who wish to pursue veterinary science, degree options available in India, eligibility criteria for different courses, entrance exams at the national level, and what professions one can get into after finishing a degree course in the area of veterinary science. Let us start with the quality check. First and foremost, the candidate has to be oriented towards academics and people. This is the orientation which I require of the candidate. The child has to be good with basic sciences with a little special affinity towards zoology as a subject. Child should have interest in animals and life sciences, and the child or candidate should have ability to spend long hours with books and or computers during study as well as during the field work or the practical application. There are three primary degrees which I have categorized under the vertical of veterinary science available in India. First is Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. Second is Bachelor of Fishery Science, and also there is a BSc in Fisheries available in India. Now, as far as eligibility criteria for any one of these courses in veterinary science is concerned, it remains 10+2 physics, chemistry and biology. And some of the top entrance exams in the country include NEET, NEET, AAU VET. Then there are a lot of state level entrance exams which are conducted for individual veterinary science related courses state-wise, which include Odisha, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, UP, Andhra Pradesh, and so on and so forth. So you can see a lot of these national level entrance exams are there. As far as professions are concerned, what one can get into or become after finishing a degree in any one of these areas is one can get into animal husbandry and dairying, become an animal biotechnologist, animal genetist, animal nutritionist, aquaculturist, dairy scientist, fishery scientist, mariculturist, pisciculturist, livestock production and technology. One can get into becoming a poultry scientist, veterinary bioscientist, veterinary pathologist, veterinary surgeon, and so on and so forth. Once a candidate finishes the bachelor, one can get into masters, and there can further be more specialization through which you can get into different professions. I hope this video gives you some insight about veterinary science courses available in India. In case you have any questions, please feel free to put across your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.